baby, what you cooking?
I'm making beef and chicken stir fry.
Okay. And what is this right here?
This is the chicken. And the chicken, and I'm cooking the chicken and the beef together.
Okay. And then what is this, your onion?
That's my onions.
You got broccoli. And what's this in this other bag here?
Stir fry meat.
Okay.
Corn.
You got some sugar snap stir fry.
Corn.
Got some corn.
Some onions and peppers.
Okay. Some sweet peas.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And what is it you making?
I'm making beef and chicken stir fry.
Okay. Okay. Now see how we doing it in Country's kitchen. My wife cooking. She cooking in the wok, y'all. She cooking in the wok, y'all. Okay. And this rice. Okay. It's better if the rice is cold, though, right? Like if you cooked it for another day.
Well, I'm not frying as
Oh, you're not doing
fry over white
over
rice.
white rice. Oh, okay, okay, okay.
I'm not making fried rice.
Okay, okay. So if it was fried rice, you would already have the rice done.
Right.
Okay, got you.
Day old rice.
Day old rice. Okay.
If I was doing fried rice.
Right. Okay. We'll see how this is working out, y'all.
Clean as you go.
Say it again, baby.
Clean as you go.
Clean as you go, right?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all hear that? Y'all hear that? Clean up behind yourselves now. And baby, could I ask you one other thing? What did you season the chicken with?
Garlic powder, onion powder, Worcestershire sauce, basil paste.
Sure smell good. Basil paste.
Basil paste.
Okay, okay. Did I see you put a little wine vinegar or something in there?
Red wine vinegar.
Red wine vinegar? Okay. Okay, all right. And how about the steak?
Steak, I season it basically the same way.
Basically the same way.
But I'm going to be adding ginger to, whenever I do the vegetables and everything, I'm going to add ginger.
Okay. Okay, so you're taking them out now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What you taking them out for?
I'm taking them out because I'm getting ready to start the vegetables and I'm going to add them back.
Oh, okay, okay. So do you pour that juice off before you start the vegetables?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, y'all. Y'all hear it. Country's kitchen, y'all. Okay. I'm taking this over here to the sink. Pour that off and wash that pot out, y'all. That's what she doing. That's what she doing, y'all. Get her to wash that pot out. And get ready for the veggies. To the audience that's here. I know, but you were here working, so.
Hey, y'all.
All right, y'all. Next step, next step. Next step, y'all. There's olive oil, baby.
Olive oil. Extra virgin.
Okay. Extra virgin olive oil, y'all. Y'all hear that sizzle, sizzle? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Got that minced garlic going, y'all. Got that minced garlic, y'all. Yeah, y'all. Get it right, get it tight.
Popping out. Nope.
Get it right, get it tight, y'all. Yeah, you're right, y'all. Can you put a little more in that big? I like that. She's doing it special for your boys. She's doing it special for me. I like broccoli. I love some broccoli. I love veggies, period.
This is a vegetable pack right now.
Y'all see that? Oh!
Garlic.
I'm gonna put the recipe in the description.
Oh, I don't know. I think it's vinegar.
What is that right there?
This is the vegetable pack.
Okay, vegetable pack. Okay. So you put onion powder and garlic powder in there. Now you're putting the veggie pack. Veggie seasoning.
Yep.
Okay.
Soy sauce over there.
Soy sauce right here. That's it. You need to come over here. That's all. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. Chicken and beef. We was gonna add some shrimp, but my daughter Sincere don't eat shrimp, y'all. So y'all blame that one on Sincere today.
Soy sauce.
That soy sauce on that bad boy. What is that?
Ginger.
Okay.
This is a ginger sauce.
Ginger sauce, y'all. Oh, pour it, baby. Pour it. Teriyaki marinade, y'all. Oh, shooky now. Too much of that, ain't it? That'll overpower it, right?
Yep.
Should that pot be up high to burn that steam off of it?
smells so good.
It smells good. Y'all see that?
We'll add that there.
So you let that fry down first before you add the meat?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Pause it.
It's done by the wifey, y'all, Lord J. All right, y'all. Y'all see that? Y'all see that chicken and beef stir fry? Chicken and beef stir fry, y'all. All right, y'all, finished product. Stir fry. Stir fry. Chicken and beef stir fry, y'all. Country soul food and barbecue, y'all. Y'all see it. Y'all see it.